Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily block and unblock someone on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. And then let's say you want to block some user. In that case, the first you need to do is hit at their profile picture to open up their profile page, and then just hit at that three dots, and towards the bottom you can easily find this block feature. You can just tap on that, and now it says that once you block that user, they will not be able to send you messages, see your posts, or find your profile. To confirm it, just hit at block. If you want to unblock that user, the easiest way is to open up their profile and in the same way hit at three dots and then hit at unblock. But if you can't remember their name, username, and you can't find it using search on TikTok, you can unblock any user in another way. Just open up your TikTok profile, then hit at three lines, settings and privacy, then get into privacy and scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find blocked accounts. Just tap here and it shows you all the accounts that you have blocked on TikTok. And from here you can easily unblock those profiles by hitting at unblock button. That opens up their profile, and now you can in the same way unblock any user. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.